Hello guys, today I'm gonna talk about the top international student education loans. You should always carefully evaluate how much money you will need to study in the USA, then you will need to research and apply for scholarships, financial aid from your school, and find money from any other sources, including family funds. After exhausting these avenues, most international students still have a funding gap, and that's where international student loans come in. What is an international student loan? Federal student uh, loans are popular with the US students studying in the US, but they are not available to international students. Instead, international students are eligible for international students loans. Specialized private education loans available in international students studying in the US. International students loans are now a very realistic way to finance your education in the US. Loans are very flexible and can offer loans amount high enough to pay your for your entire education, but with the extended repayment terms and reasonable interest rates, so you can afford the repayment after you graduate. Considers most international students applying for a loan must have a US consider in the order to apply. A consider is legally obligated to repay the loan if the borrower fails to pay. The consider must be a payment US resident with the good credit who has lived in the USA for the past 2 years, is often to close friend or a relative who can assist in getting credit, since most international students cannot receive credit on their own. If you are not able to find a consider, if you see if there is a no consider loans available for you. Interest is the amount charged by the lender in addition to the amount of money that you borrowed. The interest is rate is calculated based on an index plus a margin that will added an additional percentage interest rate depending on your co-signer credit worthiness. The two most common indexes used in the international students are the prime rate and LIBOR rate. Prime interest rate, the index is determined by the federal funds rate, which is set by the US Federal Reserve. The LIBOR is a London interbank offered rate, is based on the British Bankers Association and used on the London Internet Bank market. The rate is an average of the world's most credit-worthy banks' interbank deposit rates for overnight and 1 year terms. When evaluating the loan, lender will clarify which index the plan uses. Then there will be an additional margin that will be added based on the borrower's individual criteria, including the co-signer and credit history. Based on their credit worthiness, an additional interest rate will be added to the index. This will be the total interest you owe. When your application is approved, your specific margin will be disclosed to you, at which point you can accept or refuse the loan. Repayment will vary depending on the loan options you can choose. Since most international students are not able to work while they study in the US, repayment must be considered as an extremely important feature in your loan. You will need to consider how much the monthly payments will be, when payments will begin, and how long you will be able to defer paying back the loan. The repayment period generally ranges from 10 to 25 years, but the larger the loan, the longer the repayment period. The standard repayment plans options are full federal. Students are able to defer payment until 6 months after graduation as long as full-time status is maintained. Students can defer payment for a maximum of 4 years, which is the typical length of a degree. Interest only. International students only pay the interest while the school up for the 4 consecutive years, and can defer the principal until 45 days after graduation, and when the students drops their course load to part-time. Immediate repayment payments on both interest and principal due to the immediately once the loans has been dispersed. Frequently asked questions. Students who are not in the US citizen or not citizens of payment residents and who are attending an eligible US college or university may apply for international students loans.